You have worked so hard to meet the YouTube monetization policy. You've applied for the YPP and you've been accepted into YouTube Partner Program. A big congratulations to you. You've done so well and you deserve a pat at the back. Well done. But what is the next thing to do? You might be wondering, when am I going to receive my first paycheck? What are the phases and stages that I have to go through to receive my first paycheck? So I have you covered today. So if this interests you, keep watching. And if today is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe to this channel so that anytime I post a content, you will get notified. You might be aware that in order for you to be accepted into YPP, you have to meet certain criteria, and that is to have at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. That is for full monetization, okay? And for the parts monetization called fan funding, you need to have at least 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hour. So once this is done, you go ahead to apply for YPP YouTube Partner Program, okay? Well, in today's video, we're going to be talking mostly about those that are fully qualified for YPP Partner Program. That is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And if that is you, keep watching. And even if you're yet to meet this criteria, you can learn this so that when you get to that stage, it will be easier for you, okay? So let us dive into today's video. So in order to receive your payment, in order to receive your first YouTube paycheck, there are things that you have to do. There are stages that you have to go through, and the stages involves you setting up your Google Adsense, okay? Your Google Adsense ensures that you receive your payment. It is linked and synced with your YouTube channel, okay? Without this Google Adsense being set up, there's no way to receive your YouTube paycheck. So it is very, very important. So pay attention. So these 4 stages that you need to go through in order to set up your Google Adsense. So the first stage in setting up your Google Adsense account is your identity verification. YouTube requires you to provide a documentation issued by the government, a valid documentation issued by the government that has your legal name on it. So you have to fill those information containing your legal names and as well upload those information. They require you to kind of take a picture of it and upload it via your Google Adsense page. So this is the first stage. So once you've completed the first stage, you wait for YouTube to prompt you for the second stage. So all these things are stages by stages. It's not something that you will just go and do once. No. So when you are eligible for a stage, YouTube will kind of prompt you or message you via your YouTube studio that this is the next step. This is what you have to do next. So don't worry, okay? If they are yet to prompt you, just know that you've not met the criteria for that. So the second stage of this process is for you to verify your payment address. YouTube want to ensure that they are working with real human beings and not a robot. So this requires YouTube to send you your personal identity PIN or your personal identity number, also known as your PIN, in the address that you have provided earlier. So usually this takes about 2 to 4 weeks before it gets to the address that you've already provided. But bear in mind that after 4 weeks and you're yet to receive your PIN, go back to your Google Adsense account. Make sure that all the information that you provided regarding your address are correct. If everything is correct and you're yet to receive your PIN, go back to your Google Adsense account via your payment information and then click resend PIN, and they'll have to send you the PIN again. Bear in mind that after 4 months and you did not verify this PIN, hey, they will stop your monetization. Okay, so it's important that you look out for that, provide the correct information or correct payment address that they can easily send that information to. So as soon as you receive your PIN, the next thing for you to do is to impute that PIN they provided you in the payment information via the Google Adsense, okay? You log into your Google Adsense account via the payment information and then fill in that exact number contained in that letter, okay? So once that is done, you know that the second stage is fully completed. Then you move to the next stage, which YouTube have to prompt you before you do that. So the third stage in this process is for you to provide your payment information. This payment information requires you to provide information regarding your task and your form of payments. Your form of payment can be either through wire transfer, bank transfer, or via check. Whichever one you deem suitable for you, just go for it. And how does this work? This works by YouTube remitting some amount of money into that bank account that you're provided, okay? and it takes about 23 hours to 3 days to get into your bank account. As soon as you receive that into your bank account, you are required to go back to your Google Adsence account, file the payment information, and impute exact same amount that YouTube remitted in your bank account. Okay, this ensures that your bank account is working effectively, and once you are due to be paid, it will go smoothly. Okay, so you have to impute that exact same amount and click verify. That ensures that your payment information is fully verified. So the last stage of this process is for you to meet your payment threshold, which is usually $100. Okay, as soon as you meet the payment threshold, you receive a prompt information via your YouTube studio that your payment is due and it is on the way. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you learned one or two things here, like this video, and if you're yet to subscribe to this channel so that next time I upload this kind of content, you wouldn't miss out. And I'm going to call it a day. I will see you all on my next one. Take care and stay blessed wherever you are. Bye.